Hi, I'm Mark Sales from Kantar, and I just want to talk briefly about our white paper, Revolution, Evolution or an Agile Solution, which looks at 3 potential engagement models for the pharmaceutical industry post-COVID-19. The first model is Revolution, which is where the industry moves very much to a digital perspective, and with that goes a substantial investment from maybe classical channels like the sales organization to digital. Imagine a 25% reduction in sales force would give potentially $15 billion to invest in a synergistic manner with other channels and other content. This might bring increased personalization, new types of marketers to the industry, maybe more of a CPG background, and it could bring a consolidation of platforms around telehealth and tele-detailing. But also that brings risks around initial misspending or maybe a reduction in loyalty as you reduce face-to-face interactions. The second model we call Evolution, which is much more of a conservative strategy. Here the industry might adopt more of a wait and see, low risk model, where we play around the edges around maybe a small reduction in sales organization or a small uptick in digital spend. This is where we've been playing for the last 10 to 15 years, and I think during COVID there are big risks in this one. We've seen that a lot of physicians like the new channels of interaction and they like the way they're working with pharma at the moment. The other risk is that a disruptor enters that is a digital specialist and just takes that space away from us. And then finally, the Agile Solution. This is where pharma needs to adopt a flexible strategy where we might see circuit breakers enacted at a very local level, and we need to be able to pivot very quickly and very nimbly from a resourcing, a channel, a content perspective in order to not lose out in the way that maybe we have at the moment. Obviously the risks around this are we may not be able to respond fast enough as an industry, and also the fact that we lose economies of scales that we've built up over time. This is just a flavour of the overall paper, so if you go to kantar.com and search for Revolution, Evolution or an Agile Solution, you can find the rest of the paper. Thank you.